welcome back to Robin's Unboxing, where myself, my husband, my 2 children unbox mystery boxes, subscription boxes, and basically anything. So today we have the ice cream bag and the ice cream box. Now I get both from Crate Joy. This one is around 40 and this one is 14. However, because I live in Canada, this 14 US also adds 25 US shipping. So I mean, it's 40 US for, 3 to 4 products, which normally I get about 3. And as of late, they haven't been great. So I'm really thinking about canceling the bag. I really, really like the box, but I'm not sure. But I'll give it one more try, and if it doesn't, then I mean, I can always cancel and try and pick something else around the same price range that, it might work better, it might not. I might go back to it, I might just keep it. I'm not really sure. But let's dive into the bag first because it has less products, and then we'll go from there. All right. So it is 3 products this time, and they give you a little card, and it's got cute little avocados everywhere. So let's see. Looks like 2 palettes, which is all right. I'm okay with that. So the first one is Delancey Avocado Green palette, which is $30. Retails for $30. So, I mean, hypothetically, this would kind of pay for the whole bag if it wasn't for all the shipping. I mean, 40 US to me in Canada, that's 53 to 55 depending on interest rates that day. So, I mean, it can be quite pricey for 3 things. I mean, I don't know. Seems pricey, but maybe not. All right, so this is what it's gonna look like. And I mean, it is for March, so I mean, green, St. Patty's Day, it kind of makes sense. So I might try and play around with those later. I don't tend to wear a lot of green, but I do have green eyes, not that you can tell usually in the video. But it might make my eye color pop out more, so that is the first item. The second is a liquid Oakland Cosmetics liquid eyeliner in the shade Coffee. Now, I know I already have this one. So, this is what it's gonna look like. I mean, and like a little felt tip. I'm not going to swatch it because I already have it. Now, Oakland, I really, really like. And I mean, I've got the coffee one, I've got black, I've got white, I even have a purple from them. And I do really, really love them. So, this would be a great item if I hadn't already got it. And it didn't even come in a mystery box. I just like the brand because I had many other ones that I wanted to try out the chocolatey coffee one color. So there's that. That's item number 2. And for the last, we have also from Oakland Cosmetics. It's the Glowing Face Palette. And this one retails for 15. Sorry, this retails for 9, just so you know. So this one here does have a mirror. I'm going to see if I can take off that plastic coating so it doesn't reflect. Maybe better. Geez, that thing's really on there. Oh, there we go. So this is what it's gonna look like. So I mean, some really, really nice shades. I mean, say anything? No, it doesn't really see anything. but that is item number 3. So I mean, this one seems worth it this time because there is 2 palettes. Generally there's not. I mean, obviously one of the products I already had, which is my bag because I bought it. So I mean, if this was actually the 14 what it's for sale for, this would be a great buy. But because of the shipping, I mean, I can't really blame them for it because I mean, I live far away, but it is what it is. So now we're going to dive into the box. So it is going to look like this. And it's got all those foamy pieces that you melt with water. Okay, so this is the March one, Lucky to Have You is a theme. So, what do I go for first? Okay, let's just do it in order. The Saints Angel Sinners Eyescream Beauty Yummy Palette. So this seems like it is an exclusive for Eyescream Beauty, and it retails for $48. Very nice, very colorful. Obviously, there's a little bunny on there. Ooh, okay. I like this. Take away the plastic piece. Some really nice shimmers there. And that is what it looks like. I mean, oh. Ooh, I really like the one that's called Candy Girl, which is the first one. Let's see, Sugar. Ooh, that's a duochrome. Okay, so there's like, okay, what else? Purple Yam. Okay, and Blue Moon. Let's try a couple of them. Really nice color payoff. I mean, obviously there's one right here, which is the Candy Girl, which is a white glitter. So, I mean, it's very, very subtle. Can't really see it, but I mean, if I put it on, you could probably tell. So that is item number 1. And retails for $48. That more than pays for the whole box. So, I mean, these boxes kind of make up for the bag when they are less. So, take that into consideration. Let's see. We're going to do Bow Down Brow Gel by Queen Studios. This is for $16. It says it's easy to use, non-sticky, flake resistant, super long lasting, transparent formula. Stays in place for 16 hours. It does look like more like a sample-ish size. Okay. It doesn't feel like there's a whole lot of product in there, but I mean, a little goes a long way. And it's just got like a little, we'll see. So that is item number 2. Item number 3. Ooh, okay, I can get behind this one. So it's a makeup base eyeshadow primer, and it goes for $19. And I love eyeshadow primer. And I generally use the Gerard Cosmetics one. But this one is a different consistency. This one feels more like a cream versus like it's more solid than the Gerard Cosmetics one. But I mean, let me see. We'll put that on there, a little spot. And then we'll go back into our palette and see. All right. Okay, so I put it on there, And this here is actually this color. So you can see it does a better job. I mean, obviously it's not going to look like what it does on your eyes because your hands are more porous than your eyes. So, but it is more consistent than that. So, I mean, I'm definitely going to use this because I'm almost out of my Jarred Cosmetics one. So this one, I always love, love, love. Okay, so next we have the Watermelon Scented Matte Lipstick Set. This goes for $28. Oh my god. Like, we get six. I'm like, that's fantastic. Now this is a watermelon scented. Now, I'm not a huge watermelon person, but I will try it. So it does have 6 different colors. So I'm just swatching them all for you guys. That looks really similar to a different color. So there's, you know, for what they're calling, well, I guess they're calling it lipstick. Oh god, that's a no for me. Anything bubblegum, pink, even browns, So that's the 6 colors there. And I mean, I really like, you know, half of them. So there's that. And that retails for $28. So I mean, first you got your palette for $48, brow gel $16, makeup primers $19, and that's $28. And our last thing is Liquid Gold Highlighter by Bella Pierre, and it's $25. That's why I love this one. It's so consistent with great products. And I really like that it has more indie brands. Sometimes those indie brands can be really good. Okay, and there's the highlighter there. And I mean, it does what it's supposed to do. So, I mean, I really like this box. I thought it was great. So, I mean, I have no complaints. I mean, obviously, I wish it didn't smell like watermelon, but I mean, I will literally use everything that came in here. And it's not very often that you get to say that when you're doing beauty boxes. So, that I'm really happy about. The box, or the bag, aside from what I already have, I mean, I'll try out the 2 palettes. I mean, like I said, green, I don't generally try and go with, do too many greens, but I mean, maybe it's gonna bring out my eye color more, and so I will try that. And you know what? It's March, it's St. Patty's, so not really surprised, but a lot of these people went with green in their palettes this month. But thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell so next time a video pops up, you're gonna get notified. Like, comment if there is a beauty box or anything that you'd like to watch me unbox. Just drop a message and I'll see what I can do. Bye guys.